expect a lot of these teams in Cello.
Sorry. All right, second break of the night, 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We've got our basketball break with the Elite Hobby Box, 2 Mosaic Blasters, and 5 Mosaic Cellos. Just gonna give it a few minutes for some folks to join, and we'll get started about 2 after. Alright, give it a few minutes for everybody to join up in here. And we will get started about 2 after. This is our second break of the day. We've got another Elite Hobby Box, 2 more Mosaic Blasters, and 5 Cellos. Had some pretty decent hits out of the first break, but nothing crazy. So hopefully we can pull some real fire out of today's second break. What's going on, everybody that's joining? How's everybody doing today? Just going to give it a few minutes here, 1 more minute or so before we get started so everybody can join. Get started on that second break. The Hobby Elite, 2 Mosaic Blasters and 5 Mosaic Cellos. Check out the link in the bio. We've got next week's breaks as well. We got the Chronicles out there. We've got Chronicles Megas, Hangers, and Blasters. Alright, we'll get started with the Cellos. We'll move into the Blasters, and then we'll save the Hobby for last. Alrighty, good luck, everybody. I'll get these open real quick, and then we'll get it popping. All right, here we go. Let's get started. Good luck, everybody. Fred Van Fleet, Derrick Rose, Colin Sexton, George Hill, Derrick Rose got game, Ja Morant, NBA debut. Ja showing up in the first pack. There we go. Carmelo Anthony, Miles Bridges, Trey Young, a Carmelo Anthony green prism. There we go. Old school Magic Johnson and Cody Martin. Lou Williams, Rudy Gay, Thomas Satoransky, green prism Caldwell Pope, give and go Ben Simmons, and Tremont Waters. Karl Anthony Towns, Bogdan Bogdanovic, Austin Rivers, Kevin Knox, a silver Kyrie give and go, and a PJ Washington NBA debut. Terrence Ross, Jaren Jackson Jr., Josh Richardson, John Collins, Kyle Kuzma, silver. Nice hit there for the Lakers. And Darius Bazley. D'Angelo Russell, Bam Adebayo, a silver Kyle Kuzma. There we go. LeBron James Jam Masters, and a Kevin Durant. Seth Curry, Troy Brown Jr., Tim Hardaway Jr., Spencer Dinwiddie, a silver James Harden give and go, and a Brandon Clark NBA debut. Alec Burks, Cedi Osman, Montrezl Harrell, Myers Leonard green prism, Magic Johnson old school, and Bresdakis base. Landry Shamet, Jeffrey Lamb, Lauri Markkanen, Hassan Whiteside, Chris Webber old school, and a Kevin Porter Jr. Bradley Beal, Joel Embiid, Donovan Mitchell, Marcus Morris green prism, Donovan Mitchell Jam Masters, and a Larry Bird Hall of Fame. Pascal Siakam, Kevin Knox, and a Quindary Weatherspoon. Seth Curry, Alexander Walker, wrong Pelican. Anthony Simons, Devin Booker, and Scottie Pippen, USA. Markieff Morris, Eric Gordon, and a Shaq Hall of Fame. Kristaps Porzingis, Seth Curry. Okay, Cam Reddish NBA debut pink. There we go for the Hawks. Kevin L. All right, let's get into the blasters. Damian Jones, Bryn Forbes, Troy Brown Jr. Green Prism, and a Jackson Hayes NBA debut. Finney Smith, Luka Doncic, got game, and a Carson Edwards. Mark Gasol, Nikola Vucevic, Cody Martin, Green Prism, and a Scottie Pippen USA. Aaron Holiday, Jason Tatum, John Stockton Old School, and a Kendrick Nunn. Anthony Simons, Patty Mills, Jaren Jackson Jr. Green Prism, and a Wilt Chamberlain Hall of Fame. Rudy Gobert, Jeff Teague, a silver Joe Ingles, and a Bol base. There we go for Denver. Bol. Klay Thompson, Anthony Davis, Green Prism Alec Burks, and a Tyler Hero NBA debut. Blake Griffin, Giannis base, Giannis Jam Masters, and an R.J. Barrett base. There we go. Nice pack there. Good way to end that box and get into this one. Start up the fire. Here we go. Markieff Morris, Daniel House Jr., Silver Markelle Fultz, and a Bruno Fernando. Malik Monk, got game silver CJ McCollum, and a Patrick Ewing. Draymond Green, Josh Richardson. There we go. Devin Booker, Green Prism. Great player. And a Kobe White base. Very nice. Michael M. pulling a couple of good rookies. R.J. Barrett and Kobe White. There we go. Dwight Howard, John Collins, Kyrie Irving give and go, and a Steph Curry MVP. Derek White, Bam Adebayo, Green Prism Julius Irving, and a Sekou Doumbouya. Andrew Wiggins, Paul George, got game D Rose, and a DeAndre Hunter NBA debut. Zach LaVine, Lonzo Ball, Fred VanVleet Green Prism, and a Dylan Windler. Last pack of the Mosaic. Zach Collins, PJ Tucker, Silver D Rose, and a Shaq Hall of Fame. All right. Let's get into that Donruss Elite Hobby Box and see what we can pull out of there. It's got to be a little bit nicer to us than that Mosaic. Kelly Oubre Jr., Jonas, Court Vision Anthony Davis, Brasdakis, and Kemba Walker. Carmelo Anthony, Steph Curry, Giannis Spellbound. Oh. Lonzo Ball and Vince Carter. LeBron James, TJ Warren. There we go. There we go. Bobo Blue to 99, 74 to 99. Nice hit there for Denver. Kevin S. Nice hit. And we got Evan Fournier and Joel Embiid. Will Barton, Bogdanovich, star status Pascal Siakam, Trae Young, and a Draymond Green. Kyle Lowry, Miles Bridges, Okay. Terrence Mann, Kawhi Leonard, and Brandon Ingram. Kevin Durant, Kevin Love, Trae Young, primary colors, dope card. James Harden, and Nikola Jokic. Giannis, base. Christian Wood. Robert Covington to 67. That's an aspiration. 36 out of 67. Montrezl Harrell and Wendell Carter Jr. Fred VanVleet, JJ Redick, Jordan Poole, that one there is to 299. Damian Lillard and Spencer Dinwiddie. Eric Gordon, Nikola Vucevic, a spellbound T of Giannis, Russell Westbrook, and Jamal Murray. Tell ya, Milwaukee Bucks, Brandon C. A couple of spellbounds. You can spell that name. It's a long one to go for, though. D'Angelo Russell, Tim Hardaway Jr., Devontae Graham, Jason Tatum, and Derrick Rose. Kevin Knox, De'Aaron Fox, Kevin Love to 99, 32 of 99, the status, Malcolm Brogdon and Danilo Gallinari. Bryn Forbes, Jabari Parker, and our first auto, Vlade Divac to 35, 14 of 35, turn of the century, Vlade, auto. And a Bam Adebayo and Blake Griffin. Rudy Gobert, Lou Williams, Court Vision Bradley Beal, Jaren Jackson Jr., and Bradley Beal. Lauri Markkanen, Chris Paul. You got a spellbound D, James Harden, True Holiday, and Dennis Schroeder. Kyrie Irving, Paul George, DeAndre Hunter, 4 of 49. Nice hit there for the Hawks. Kevin L. Goran Dragic, and D-Book. Zach LaVine, Terry Rozier. Ooh, this is a Bowl box. Pen Pal Bowl auto to 49. Yeah, buddy. Good hit there for Denver. Kevin S. There we go. Dylan Brooks and a Luka. Ben Simmons, Colin Sexton, Damian Lillard, star status, Devontae Graham, and Tobias Harris. Robert Covington, CJ McCollum, Carson Edwards to 299, LaMarcus Aldridge, and Karl Anthony Towns. Marcus Morris Sr., Ricky Rubio, a Jabari Parker. That one there is an aspiration, so it's an odd number, 67 out of 67, 52 out of 67. Luke Kennard and Harrison Barnes. Last pack here, the break. Like I said, guys, we do have some new product in as well. We have the Chronicles going off next weekend. We've got Megas, Hangers, and Blasters. Go check out the link in the bio. Those will be going off next weekend. Jaylen Brown, Tobias Harris, DeAndre Ayton, and a DeMar DeRozan. All right, let's see what we got here. Right, there's that Chronicles for next weekend. Got that in the house. Got the Giannis Spellbound O. Vlade Divac, numbered to 35. Auto. There's the hit of the break right there. Out of 49, Bowl Auto Pen Pals. 42 of 49. DeAndre Hunter, 4 of 49. A Bowl, numbered to 99, 74 to 99. Spellbound T for Giannis. Alexander Walker Pink. The Ja NBA debut. The Kobe White. The NBA debut Cam Reddish Pink. And the RJ Barrett. That's it for this one, guys. We'll be back with our baseball break in about 30 minutes. We appreciate you guys. Trading Card will be back in 30 minutes.